Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your devices and accounts match. Sign into the same Apple ID on your iPhone and the Apple TV or Apple Music app on the TV, and update the software so features work. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled and both devices are on the same network. This allows discovery and playback control. If you have an Apple TV remote, keep it nearby. These steps avoid authentication and connectivity delays when you move to playback. Now connect and pick what you want to hear. On your iPhone, open Apple Music and swipe to Control Center, tap AirPlay, and choose your TV to stream. This is fast for playlists and live sessions. Alternatively, open the Apple Music app on the TV, sign in if prompted, and use the remote to browse catalog or library. Once you select a song or playlist, adjust volume on the TV or from your phone. This gives you precise control and avoids double routing audio. Finish by managing playback and resolving issues quickly. You can use your iPhone as a remote via AirPlay or the Apple TV remote to pause, skip, and adjust volume. This is why keeping both devices updated matters. If audio stutters or lags, check your network speed, move devices closer to the router, and close heavy background apps. If sign-in problems persist, sign out of Apple Music and back in, or reboot the TV and phone. That clears cached auth errors and usually.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.